package. It is something very, very exciting for us. Are you ready for it?
Download cannot see.
So we've been waiting for I think at least 2 weeks for this special, very special delivery.
Put here.
Oh, I need the scissors to cut. So,
Okay, what is this? Let me unboxing of a special package that we've been waiting for past 2 weeks. Can you explain?
we both know what it is. But we still like the surprise of opening the package. It is something very, very exciting for us. Are you ready for it?
Download cannot see online.
Ta-da!
Way!
Wow! Hard copy, okay?
Way!
Wow!
How many pages? Ta-da! Way!
Woohoo!
Two traveling aunties.
Woohoo! Wow!
Look.
So we went from here to there, to there, down, up,
Way, look at this.
74,973 kilometers, 361,409 days, 1,004 photos. Singapore to Disney. I think it's more than that, but
No. This furthest point from Singapore. So Disney
no,
is the furthest
the
point.
number of photos I think is more than that, but I had to cut it because we have 3 times more photo than this book allow, and I only buy 1 book, so I condensed. Select some of the important ones. There are the countries we've been to, plus 10 other countries. Ta-da!
Whoa!
9th of September. Day 1, 32 degrees Celsius. Hot.
Flip.
Wow.
Flip.
Okay.
Vanguard.
We're gonna slowly look.
Set. Way! Look. Oh, easy and feel.
Morocco, 7th of February, 23 degrees Celsius. Altitude 722.
Flip. Way! What? Whoa!
Zagreb, 30 degrees, altitude 119 meters.
Oh, this is the swamp, as Jim would call it.
Matera, Italy, December, 13 degrees Celsius, 400 meters. Should see the Namrud one now, very high. Namrud!
Oh!
Here. Mardin, 888 meter. There, 1896 meters.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Look, way.
Okay.
Oh.
I want to slowly look.
This is awesome. This is Germany, and this is one of
Ice
the...
cream!
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm back to Singapore.
When is it?
20th September.
Okay. How do you...